Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I got Zack Snyder's Justice League, and today is Tuesday, September 7th, but I actually got this September 6th. I wanted to do unboxing right then and there, but I had a busy day, couldn't get to it, just getting around to it, and I was like so surprised when I saw this early. Like my eyes lit up. If you're a Zack Snyder fan, you already know the history behind this movie. And come to find out, this isn't the complete, his real true vision. It's still like more, it's longer. But anyways, us fans, we got what we wanted. After years of campaigning and waiting, it's finally here. Dropped on HBO Max, but me, I'm a physical person and finally have it. Enough rambling. Let's take a look at the slipcover, which is fucking awesome. And I just like how the 4K logo, it just like blends in with the cover. You got the whole Justice League, you got Darkseid in the back. And then the colors, they're not bright, but they do kind of stand out. They pop a little bit. So taking a look at the side. Other side. And like I did a short when I first picked this up, and well, I'll get to that eventually, but get to the hypnosis. There's the only special features on here. Then you see the runtime. All right, so like I said in the video that I made, like this has some weight to it. Like it's really heavy, and I don't know why it's so heavy, but we're gonna find out. So take a look at the case, same as the slip cover. Look at the side, back. Crysterial. All right. And I enjoyed this. I didn't watch it in its entirety. Took me probably like a day or so to watch the whole movie. And I'm going to admit, it is some scenes in the Justice League that I do like, but overall, this is the better movie. All right, so we got this flyer, and I was about to say, where the fuck is my digital code? But there is no digital, just 4K and Blu-ray. So I found out why it's so heavy, because this is the Blu-ray. And it's 2 discs. That's very interesting that well, Lord of the Rings is like that too, so. And the same thing for the 4K. 2 discs. So yeah. So that's kind of a bummer that I can understand the Blu-ray being on 2 discs, but it's funny that the 4K is on 2 discs instead of 1. But I believe that's how the Lord of the Rings trilogy that they just released on 4K is too. But anyways, it would have been nice if just 1 disc, so you don't have to change it. But I'm a fan of the movie. I'm going to watch it. And if you already didn't know, I just spent $30 on it. support Zack Snyder. I love the man, love his movies. I own all the movies he did, except for Dawn of the Dead. But let me know what y'all think about the movie. Do y'all like the Zack Snyder's Justice League? Do you prefer the Justice League? Do you want more? Do you think they should continue the Snyderverse? But just post your comments, like, comment, and subscribe. And until the next time, see y'all later.